Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain about how to check the nodes, branches and loops in a given circuit in order to analyze the different circuits when we go through the electric circuit analysis like as node voltage analysis or mesh current analysis. So let's start it how to solve these circuits. See here for the given circuit, for this circuit, it's a basic circuit and we will explain about the number of branches, nodes and loops in this circuit. For this, let me show you that this is my source, these are three loads. So the branches is equal to, the number of branches is equal to sum of sources plus sum of loads. Load either will be, it will be resistive, it will be capacitive, it will be inductive, and sources either it will be current sources or it will be voltage sources. So the sum of sources, as there is only one source, this is one source and these are 1, 2 and 3 loads, and 3 plus 1 is equal to the number of branches is equal to 4. Branches is equal to 4 here. So if I extend this circuit, for example, this is my inductor and this is the capacitor. So how many branches will be there? So there will be total 6 branches in this circuit here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One source and 5 loads. This will be my number of branches in a given circuit. So hopefully you have got the idea of how to calculate the number of branches in a given circuit. For the next step, I have to calculate the number of nodes here in this circuit analysis. So how will I calculate the nodes? Node will be equal to the interconnection of 2 or more branches. Interconnection of 2 or more branches. Interconnection of 2 or more branches. So how the interconnection? From starting here, this is the interconnection of my branch number 1 and 2. This is my node number 1. See next, this is my node number 2. It is the interconnection of this branch, this branch, this branch and this branch, where this a cable or a short circuit. Cables are basically the short circuit. Consider here the joints. So this is my node number 2 connecting the 4 branches here. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are different nodes, but you can see here these are common nodes because they are connecting where you can name it. You can name it this one, you can name this one, you can name this one, you can name this one. This is my third node, and you can see here all the branches are connected. But this branch and this branch, how they are connected? Where this one node. Okay, this will be my fourth node. These are all my independent nodes and number of nodes will be equal to 4. So how will you calculate the number of loops? Loops are basically, you can see here, this is defined as loop. Loop is the closed path. See here, this is my closed path for current flow. This is my loop number 1. This is the closed path. This is my loop. This is the closed path. This is the loop. These are my independent loops. At this stage you have to understand about independent loops, independent nodes, as well as independent branches of the circuit in order to analyze the different circuits at beginning level. So hopefully you have got the clear idea that how to get the branches, loops and nodes. So for this I will go to book and I will show you the reference for calculating the nodes and loops. See here, for this example, this is connecting branch of source voltage and a 5 ohm resistor. This is one node and this is the second node and this is the third node. The C node is called third node, and you can see here the how many branches are 2 sources. Sum of sources is 2 and sum of loads, sum of numbers of sources. Okay, sum of numbers of sources 1 and 2 sources and 1, 2 and 3 loads, and it will be equal to 5 branches here, as it is marked there, 5 branches here and 3 nodes here. And what are the loops? Loop, this one is loop, this second one is loop, and this is the third one is loop, and these are the loops for the analysis. These are called independent loops, and for solving them there is a formula: branches equal to loop plus nodes minus 1. This will be equal to total branches. So we will implement this on this example. See here, it is the number of branches, that is equal to loops. Loops, I had 3 loops here and I have nodes 1, 2, 3 and 4 nodes. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, and branches will be equal to 6, and I had total 6 branches here. Branches is equal to 6, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 branches here. That's implemented here, and you have seen with cross checking of an example that how efficiently the nodes, loops and branches are analyzed here. Hopefully you have got the clear idea of this concept. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, kindly write them in below comment section, so I will look into that questions and I will answer you accordingly in an efficient way. Thank you for watching my video.